Are you trying to figure out which face wash is best for your skin type? Try Nethika Naturals Foaming Face Wash. You will surely fall in love with your skin. Nethika Naturals Foaming Face Wash is suitable for all skin types. It hydrates and nourishes your skin, cleans your pores thoroughly without leaving you feeling dry or unpleasant, and it helps control excessive oil on your face. Use this foaming face wash on damp skin for a 1-minute massage and rinse it off. For best results, use it twice a day. One of the most crucial aspects to look in a face wash is its list of ingredients or its contents. The formula of this foaming face wash contains salicylic acid, glycolic acid, and aloe vera to provide clean and balanced skin tone, refine pores, and oil control. This face wash will gently purge and restore the skin while you wash your face daily. Salicylic acid is an anti-inflammatory ingredient that helps reduce the size and redness of pimples. It penetrates deep into the skin and can help unclog pores and dissolve keratin plugs. It's an exfoliant that helps break down dead skin cells and keep your skin healthy. Glycolic acid is an excellent ingredient for good skin, suitable for all skin types. It can help to remove sunspots, hyperpigmentation, and post-inflammatory markings. Aloe vera is a favorite skincare ingredient because of its healing and moisturizing properties, and it provides the best hydration and protection. We blended aloe vera with the other two ingredients to give your skin the best care. So hurry up! For more information, go to www.nethikanaturals.com and place your order. Subscribe and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.